is good, my beautiful people? It is your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Video number 2, and I wanted to take some time out really quick here just to share some information to my sponsor shoppers. Yeah, want to say shout out to the sponsor shoppers, man. But real quick here, not trying to be funny, but guys, there's things out here to really help you where you don't have to do this. There's programs and systems literally that we talk about all the time. You know, when you hear me talking about the conversion pros, if you hear me talking about Builderall, you know, these are marketing systems that are designed for you to brand yourself. They teach you how to brand yourself. They're also make it easy for you to give to your teams. They also have training and things like that inside of the system. So they're going to show you how to use their system and also show you how to actually go out and do a little bit of marketing as well. So that right there covers a lot of stuff. Now, when you have a sponsor, and I always mention in my videos as well, is that when you join me in things, guys, I have things that are set up from Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube placement ads, solo ads, you know, Craigslist marketing. I show you how to do all this, guys. SMS marketing. I've shot YouTube videos showing you a system that I use. That these are things that you can utilize for your business. So when you're talking about, you know, programs out here, you can introduce people and say, hey, I have a marketing system already set up for you. Only thing you need to do is copy my page. I have a free training for you that's going to show you, you know, how to generate traffic. Pick one training source that you would like. So if you want to jump into Facebook ads, jump into Facebook ads. Learn and master one first before you try to go to the next one. I like shooting YouTube videos, so I like YouTube a lot, guys. I do a lot of Facebook ad videos. You know, when Facebook don't close out my pages or so like that, I just do Facebook ads. You know, so there's a lot of things that you can do where you don't have to go out here and literally sponsor shop. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. If you're new, you want to join someone that's going to get you set up, you know, so all that. You know, I've had people literally, guys, and that's why I say I don't try to screen calls, but I've literally had people that will call me and give me a whole life story, and then they'll say, all right, bro, I'm going to think about it. You know, I've literally sat on the phone with you for 30 minutes, told you how this program goes, just sat here and listened to everything that you wanted to talk about for you to say you don't know. You know, and guys, literally, that is why I say I shoot videos, because I want to answer a lot of questions. I try to have all the information out there, and also I want you to hear it the same way I heard it and see it the same way that I seen it. So I will produce the same type of video for you to partake in. So that's up to you if you're going to open your ears and perceive the information like you should. Now, I can only give the information to you. I can't make you do anything. But guys, you don't have to sponsor shop. As I mentioned many times, my sponsors that went into the witness protection program, and I have not seen them, literally, or they jumped on to the next program, but that doesn't mean anything for me to stop their progress, because they're good marketers and they know how to build lists and have businesses operating on autopilot. And that's what we're going to teach you. So, guys, all your sponsor shoppers, guess what? This is a new day. There's marketing systems out here that's going to help you. There's people like me that will give you the information that will help you. No, we're not going to be there for every call that you make, guys, because we have families as well. I have 3 children, you know, that I have to attend to. I also have teams and people that I have to talk to as well and help them. And I'd rather help them as opposed to someone who know they're not going to join anyway. All right. So don't keep sponsor shopping. Most of the programs that we're promoting anyway, there's no need to sponsor shop, guys, because literally you're getting the system that everyone's getting. You're going to get the same training that everyone is getting. The only difference is that you may get a bonus or 2 from certain people like me. I'll go out and give you the extra bonuses as well, as far as Facebook ads, Instagram ads, things like that. I also give you a SMS marketing training, you know, that I've done. It just shows you how to generate leads and traffic into your business and go from there. All right. So shout out to the sponsor shoppers. This your boy Jay. I'm out. Peace.